Our first campsite without any phone signal, which is kind of nice, kind of peaceful. Get us really out here in the middle of nature. On the other hand, our first campsite without toilets, which I'm not loving. I don't think Paris is loving either. So, pros and cons. Gonna see what we can find today. Gonna head towards a place called Grey. What's it called, baby?
Grey Water.
Great. Is it Grey Water? We just checked and it's called Greymouth. Driving up towards Greymouth, and we stop off in a place called Ross to see this little teapot house where the entire house, or the entire wall of the garden is made of teapots. Even the letterbox is a big teapot. And you've got more teapots all up there doing this funny dog looking one. And the entire driveway of this person's house.
Beauty and the Beast.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is, yeah. Yeah, the teapot from Beauty and the Beast. And then their entire driveway is also covered in teapots. This is really unique. It gives more cafe vibes than someone's house. I think I'm on their personal private residence right now. I'm actually going to back off. But this is so cool. Cute little house.
This teapot is my favourite. It's covered in flowers.
I quite like this yellow one. I think it was my favourite. Although this one here, the red one with the elephants, is also pretty cool. And I have to say, special mention to this one, just because it looks so fun. This one's also really, really funky. We bought this Pani Puri kit, and this is our lunch. So let me show you how we're making it. We're taking one, we're cracking a hole in the top. This is kind of like a poppadom, I guess. We're then filling it in with these, is it Bundy, babe?
Yeah.
Bundy?
Bundy?
Which are made with chickpea flour. Put in a little bit of this spicy mango chutney, essentially, in. And then dipping it in this mysterious liquid, which is made through a packet mix which came in the box. Cheers.
Cheers.
Really tasty, vegetarian lunch. So we found a dump station in Ross, filled up the fresh water, then drove to Hokitika Gorge. We've just arrived here and going to go explore. It's actually really busy in this car park. It seems to be quite popular, or at least as popular as it'll get. I'm glad it's, you know, not peak summer anymore, because I do not think we'll get a space here if it had been super, super busy middle of the summertime.
Oh, buddy.
Here we go, along the gorge. This water is a beautiful blue colour. Oh wow. It's rocking a bit. Rock the bridge, don't rock the bridge, baby.
No, don't rock the bridge, baby.
Amazing suspension bridge, it rocks a little. Beautiful blue water, but I tell you what, I've never had more anxiety about dropping my phone than taking the photos up here. We're on this rock with a beautiful view. Apparently this bridge is being built and will be open in a couple of weeks. By the time this video goes out, it should be open.
Whoa. This place is so beautiful.
There's a couple of flies, so if you come here, a bit of mosquito repellent will be amazing. I put some on my legs, but not on my arm, and I just had one bite in the back of my neck. I didn't put any on, so she's been bitten a bit. But
It's okay though, it's beautiful.
yeah, it's very beautiful, absolutely stunning.
Apparently it's freezing though, so
Yeah,
we've not jumped in.
yeah, and there's a big sign saying, danger of death, and do not go in the water, people have died here. Well, clearly it's not stopping them.
Hi. Chocolate.
So we are trying to watch a little bit what we eat, so we don't just live off chocolate and crisps while doing this, because obviously no fridge, have to cook everything ourselves in here. Limited money, it'd be so easy just to fall into eating junk food. But we said every few days we'll have a cheat day. So today's a cheat day, so we've got some chocolate. We've driven to another walk, and Paris is really tired from all the hard effort and work it is sitting in the passenger seat. So after a 25-minute nap in the drive here, she's now decided she needs to have a little sleep before we start the walk.
Sleep for like 5 minutes on that drive.
25. You coming?
That's not the way. My mum would tell me off if I went that way.
We're going through this tunnel. It says don't enter. Chance of rocks falling.
Tunnel closed. too much over on this point. Rock thing.
I think it's okay. I can see you. This tunnel was the only bit of the walk I particularly cared to see through there. It was just more rainforest, just walk through the rainforest. But I thought the tunnel was the cool bit. So I think we're just going to head off now after our... Well, put it this way, we spent probably 60 times more time sleeping for about an hour in the car.
I asked him to set a 20-minute alarm, and he didn't.
I don't like alarms. Then we did going through the tunnel. So very, very quick detour. But now off to Greymouth. Get some food, get some fuel.
Pizza night!
We've got some pizzas, going to watch some TV here. Finishing Breaking Bad. Well, I say finishing, we're starting season 2. Plus, has never seen Breaking Bad before.
Quite enjoying it.
Yeah, I've been asking her to watch it for about 2 years and she's like, no, sounds awful. But, you know, glad she's liking it. This is the campsite tonight. Honestly, it's really cute with a lovely sunset. This was a World War II machine gun post just over here. I guess this is where the Allied forces had to be stationed just in case of pursuit. This is the beach. There's this awesome wooden structure just next to the campsite as well, just on the beach. There you go, pass goes through the doorway. I think we're in agreement that this is the best campsite so far.
Yeah.
This is so beautiful. Just so awesome. The sea's just here. The full structure is here. The campsite is literally a minute walk that way. So, what's this place called, Besh? Greymouth? Greymouth. Great campsite.